Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the AIM Trader. So what we have discussed, you have seen that. I have told you you can also, here you can see that if it will continues, it will go up till here. You can see that we have reached our all target, and you can see that whenever you can see here, it is taken from this area only, it resistance it is taken. If you have you've seen this red candle, you have to place your SL will be here, and you can see that how nicely within 1 week also, not within, from where 27 December to 29 December. Okay, we will consider 3 to 4 days. 4 days it have momentum very nicely, and what we have discussed, that only momentum is happened. Okay, I will just show you how much you have gained. Okay, just a second. Okay, now here our is buying, so from up till here 11%, at least 11% to 10% you have captured the whole within 4 days. Okay, in crypto, if you have Byte future or sell C or Byte P. Okay, you can see that how nicely it taken a resistance from here. Okay guys, it taken a resistance. You can see that from here only, I have told you it also take a resistance. However, you have missed this rally. You can see that I have told you also from here it will take a resistance, so you can go for your first target, your second target, and your last target will be third target. You can see that how nicely it our momentum is happened. Okay, if you taken this trade, please do comment and tell me how, when you have taken and when you are exit. Okay guys, we can see in Ethereum also what happened. I have told you what, if it will break, okay, then you can go for this much. Okay, what happened is that it taking continuously here resistance. After that it is breakout, but you can see that it never closes this above. Okay, any one candle which is closes above, you have to buy at that, and your SL will be here. Okay, but this is, you can see that after that only red candle, you have to see that here only you have to short at this. You have short or buy future, anything you have, whatever you want. If you have done that, so you can see that how nicely it comes up till here. Our what, this is the one of the supporting areas. Up till here you have got your target. Okay, up from here to up till here. Okay, this is our target. You have nicely capture at least 9% in Ethereum USD also, guys. Okay guys, if you have traded well, then only. I have also told you this is the one of the resistance area. Okay, you can see that here. Okay, this is the resistance area. So what happened, it taken resistance and come down. You have to aim up till here. You have aimed up till here. You have got very nice risk to reward. What happened now, you can see that first time it touches, second time, third time it breaks, then it taken support. After this taken support, how nicely it's going upside. You can see that within 1 to 2 days it given us very nicely momentum. Okay guys, if you have traded this too, please do comment and let me know how you have traded, when you, what is your profit. Okay guys, I have also told you this is the one trend line. However, this will break, you have got your, also if it will take here resistance. Okay guys, I have also told you if it take here resistance, you can buy here also. You can see that how highly it goes, then also it comes once again back. From here you have to buy here or sell your whatever you want. Okay, from here you have to buy P or buy, sell the future of maker. Okay, from here you can see that this swing also there. You have seen that this swing, after this closes, you have to buy here, your SL will be here, very very minimal. This is your first target, second target, third target, and fourth target. You have at least seen that fourth target also. You have got very nice to risk to reward ratio. Okay, from here, okay, I will see that you have at least got 12 to 13%. I am saying what, 13%. Okay guys, if you have traded, please let me know, and how you have like my analysis also comment please. And tell me if you like my analysis or not. What are the some I have mistake or communication gap, what you have to tell me. You have tell me in the comment, so I will improve that, so you can get it and make a money in crypto also. Okay guys, so you got very nice momentum in all four. I have whatever I have told you. Please guys, if you like my video, please comment and share with your family and friends whoever wanted to trade or buy like something, so they can also make such a good money. So like this, so now we can see for what will happen in uh, next next few days. Okay guys, for next few days what will happen we can see. Okay, now we can see that the market of crypto, you can see that what happening. We can go in daily. Okay guys, in daily analysis we can see that it is hanging over here only. Okay guys, it is continuously trading over here only. So what we can do now? Okay guys, so guys, we will see how this week will goes for crypto. Okay, now what we can see here is, you can see that it act as a supporting, so it will continuously act as supporting area only. Okay, now what we can see here is that if this will break, okay guys, this will break. So if here also it will break, your first target will be this, second target. Okay guys, your third target will be here, and fourth target will be here. These four target you can easily take first, second, third and fourth guys. Okay, if it will come down, so you can surely go for these target. Okay guys, I will just shift this because this target is also pending. So if here, okay guys, if here this will break so heavily, you can say that it will fall very nicely, what I have expected, because this is the where buyer is defended it. If this will break, then buyer also get out of this area, then it will continuously fall up till here also. Okay guys, up till here. Then if buyer also not defended here, it will continuously defended also, because you can see here what happening is that because of here, it is continuously a resistance and supporting area. So you can got here up till, so it will take a one reversal also from here. You can see that from here it taken reversal, because you can see that from here only it is taking a reversal. So now what happened, until it will come here, so high probability is that it will goes upside. Okay, from here it touches, then high probability is that your it can be touches this line. Okay, high probability, but your first target will be up till here only. Okay guys, up till here, then your second target. Okay guys, in upside also I will show you. Okay, in 1 hour you can see that up till here, you can see that it will breaks taken support. This is your first target, second and third target. Okay guys, we can see in Ethereum also. Okay guys, now you can see that what is that is, it is continuously taking a support. Okay guys, you can see that here is the supporting area. Okay guys, just slightly below I will take it. Okay, it will works. Okay, now you can see that from here you can make a one trend line. Okay, what I am seeing is that this is the one of the trend line. Okay, if it will break, then you got very nice target, which is your first target will be here, and second target, and your third target. Okay guys, this is your fourth target, this is your fifth target, and you can continue up till here also, these two target also. Okay guys, this is your next target and this is your next target. Okay guys, this is the what you can get it. Okay, we can go in one day and see where the you up till where it goes from downside. Okay guys, from downside you can see that if it will come, okay, and take a resistance, then you can easily achieve your first target, your second target, your third target. Okay guys, if it will break, then your fifth target also I will made it. Okay, so like that you can take this. Okay, I will just zoom it one second. Okay, you can see that uh, your first target, your second target, okay guys, your third target, and your fourth target. This is for downside. Okay guys, in upside we have discussed your first target, second target, third target, fourth target, fifth target, and you have to continue. You can see here also these two target also you can get it. Okay, this is the one of the nicest pattern what I am saying. So you can take trade on that basis. Okay guys, you can see that it is taking resistance from here. Okay, if it now take a supporting area, support from here. Okay guys, now what I am saying is that like this only. Okay, so this is the pending what I am saying that. So if it will breaks and take support here only, then it can go for your first target, second target, and third target. Okay guys, in downside also we can discuss. Okay, from downside, if it will act as resistance, your first target, then also it act as resistance once again, then your second target will be this, third target will be this. Okay guys, this is the three target what can I will tell you, and from that you can also achieve this target too. Okay, fourth target, if it will come down, if it will goes upside, then these target are the valid what we have seen. Okay guys, and now we can see maker. Okay guys, maker also given us a very nice momentum, and you have captured all four. You have, if you have taken, please do comment and let me know please guys. So I have also get motivation that somebody is trading in what I have telling them, so I have also got some motivation, so I will make more videos on cryptocurrency also, and make nicest video whatever you think. So what I am saying is that this is the one of the major resistance area. Now it breaks. Okay, now it break. So what I am saying is that, once again, okay, in upside, if it wanted to go upside, your first target will be here only, from here up till. Okay, however this will cross, you can go, your second target will be up till here. Okay, your third target, your fourth target, and your fifth target. These are the target which can you can go for. Okay guys, if it will crosses this line, okay, I will also make this line. Okay guys, after this it will, if this will cross, okay guys, then you can take. And in downside also we can discuss. You can see that this target is pending, so I will just shift this line so you can got it how it will act. Okay, you can see that. Okay guys, if it will act as resistance, then you can go for these two target. This is first target, this is second target. Okay guys, this is your first target, sorry, first target, second target, then third target. Okay, we can go in daily and see what is doing maker in daily chart. Okay guys, In daily chart also, what I am saying is that if this is the one of the major trend line, what I am saying, okay guys, I'm not telling it will 100% is correct. So this is the one of the major trend line. If it will breaks, it will definitely goes for this target. You can definitely take for this target. Okay guys, if it consolidates then breaks, your first target will be this and second target will be this for long term. Okay, you can take a equity like a you can know stock. So like a equity, you can buy it and sit relax for your first target and second target. Okay guys, for smaller time frame I have told you this. Okay guys, for smaller time frame it will come down, so up till where you can at least taken. So at least here, up till here you can take, because you can see that continuously here is buyer is activated continuously. So what happened, it act as a support first time. So that's why I'm saying is like that. So if it will consolidate for some 1 to 2 months, okay guys, then it will breaks, then you got very nice momentum in this maker crypto coin. Okay guys, so this is all. If you like my video guys, please like and subscribe my channel. And you have want any some other cryptocurrencies analysis, please do comment. If I am free, I will definitely make a video for you, and make video and tell you how to trade in that, so you can get it how to trade, and you can make such a good money in crypto also. So I'm very happy if you don't do mistakes and you constantly make money. So I am the happiest one. I wanted to, you have to make a money, not to lose any money, because you have made a hard-earned money. However, you have worked for 6 months, 3 months, whatever you have worked, so it is hard-earned money. So don't waste your money. That is hurt when money will lost. So I wanted to tell you like this. So I am doing analysis. If you wanted also, you have to do analysis and check whether I am and your analysis is correct or not. Okay guys, how like that you can connect with me, and you can always know how I am telling these all levels. So you can also in future, without me, you can trade your own cryptocurrency or stock market, whichever you want. So you can make a good money also, and you can become a financial freedom too. Okay guys, so that's for all. Thank you. If you have liked my video, so please do comment and subscribe my channel and share with your families. Thank you.